The first thing you need to know about the Delphin Imperial Lara is that it operates under an ultra all-inclusive concept, which means that meals, drinks, and most on-site facilities are included in the base rate. However, there are a few exclusions, which I'll come on to in just a second. What you do get as standard, if you book through the link in the top comment or description, as well as a limited time discount of 39% on all room types, is full access to buffet breakfast, lunch, dinner, and late-night snacks. One a la carte dinner per restaurant is also included during your stay, with options ranging from Italian to Asian and Turkish. Drinks include unlimited local alcoholic and non-alcoholic options, along with a selection of imported brands. Access to the Turkish bath, sauna, steam room, gym, and all pools is included. Standard kids programming and the on-site mini club are also covered. What isn't included are things like premium imported alcohol, spa treatments, water sports, bowling, arcade games, and any a la carte bookings beyond your one free visit per venue. Room service is only complimentary during overnight hours, and certain high-end dining options carry an extra fee. But overall, the ultra all-inclusive package at Delphin Imperial covers more than enough for travelers who want a hassle-free, high-comfort luxury beach holiday without constantly thinking about add-on costs. The Delphin Imperial is set directly on Lara Beach, right in the heart of one of Antalya's most developed resort areas. It's just 10 kilometers from Antalya International Airport, and most transfers take less than 20 minutes. Antalya Premium Mall is within walking distance, while larger centers like Terra City and the Mall of Antalya are a short taxi ride away. There are also small shops on site for everyday essentials and souvenirs. Public buses and taxis are easy to access from the main road in front of the resort. For most travelers, the location offers the right mix of beach access, convenience, and walkable amenities. The Delphin Imperial offers over 650 rooms, designed for both space and comfort. The entry-level superior room includes 377 square feet of space, a private balcony, and garden views. With the current limited-time 39% discount, available through the link in the top comment or description, the nightly rate is $592. For couples or solo travelers, the standard superior room offers more than enough space and privacy, especially for shorter stays. Families may prefer the superior family room or opt for side-by-side bookings, with partial sea view rooms for better views and extra flexibility. Travelers staying longer than a few nights often choose full sea view rooms for an upgraded experience, which adds a more premium feel without a major increase in price. The rooms are well maintained and reviewed positively for comfort and layout. Most travelers will find the base-level superior room perfectly sufficient, especially at the discounted rate. This is a large-scale resort with amenities designed to support both relaxation and activity from morning to night. Guests have access to 3 outdoor pools, 1 indoor pool, and a full water park with slides, all included in the standard package. A well-equipped fitness center, Turkish bath, sauna, and steam room are also available at no extra charge. For families, there's a supervised kids club, a children's pool, and a mini amusement park, all built into the ultra all-inclusive offering. Daily programming is provided for children aged 4 to 12, giving parents flexibility while keeping younger guests entertained. Additional facilities include tennis courts, beach volleyball, a game room, and a small library. There's also an on-site salon, retail arcade, and a full-service spa offering massage and beauty treatments for an added fee. For travelers seeking a self-contained resort experience, the coverage here is complete. A full schedule of entertainment runs from morning until late evening, with programming designed for both adults and families. Daytime options include poolside games, dance sessions, and light sports competitions led by the animation team. Activities rotate daily and are included in the standard offering. At night, the main theater hosts live shows ranging from music and acrobatics to themed performances and guest acts. The lineup changes throughout the week, keeping the experience fresh for guests staying longer than a few days. There's a dedicated on-site nightclub open most nights, featuring DJs, themed parties, and special events during peak season. For families, evening entertainment includes a mini disco, kids' cinema, and interactive performances tailored for younger audiences. Programming is organized to create atmosphere without overwhelming the resort, making it easy to join in or opt out. The main buffet restaurant at Delphin Imperial serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner daily, with a rotating menu that includes Turkish specialties, international staples, and live cooking stations. The variety is broad and portioned for volume without sacrificing quality. In addition to the buffet, guests can reserve one meal at each of the resort's a la carte restaurants during their stay. Options include Italian, Asian, Greek, Mexican, Ottoman Turkish, seafood, and more. Reservations are required, and some venues fill up quickly during high season. Two specialty restaurants, Teppanyaki and Stella Steakhouse, carry a surcharge but offer a more curated dining experience for those looking to upgrade. Snacks, patisserie items, and ice cream are available throughout the day from various bars and stations across the resort. Dining here supports a high-volume international crowd while still offering enough variety to avoid repetition over a week-long stay. Most guests find the experience at Delphin Imperial smooth and well-managed, but there are a few details worth knowing before you book. The resort runs at high occupancy year-round, so public areas like the buffet, main pools, and kids' facilities can get busy, especially during school holidays. Booking a la carte restaurants early in your stay is the best way to secure your preferred times. This is a large, high-energy resort built for families and couples alike. For travelers who prefer quieter, adults-only properties, the pace and size may not be ideal. But for those looking for an active resort-style holiday, it delivers exactly what's promised. For a 5-star resort in Lara Beach, the value here is strong. The Ultra All-Inclusive package includes enough variety in food, drink, and services to support a full stay without the need for constant upgrades. Food quality is well above average for the price point, and the condition of rooms and shared spaces is consistently praised in recent reviews. With discounted rates bringing the nightly cost of a superior room down to $592, this property undercuts many nearby resorts with similar amenities. For travelers comparing full-scale beachfront options in Antalya, Delphin Imperial often offers more for less. This resort is best suited for travelers who want a full-scale, all-in-one beach holiday without overcomplicating the planning. Families will benefit most from the included kids club, on-site amusement rides, and variety of child-friendly dining, all built into the Ultra All-Inclusive package. Couples looking for comfort and convenience will appreciate the polished rooms, adult-friendly entertainment, and wide selection of a la carte restaurants. It's not a boutique or adults-only experience, so those seeking quiet, secluded luxury may prefer a smaller resort. But for anyone wanting reliable 5-star service, non-stop food and drink, and a well-run beachfront setting without needing to spend extra on every upgrade, Delphin Imperial is a strong choice. Save 39% when you book via the link below for a limited time only, or check out my playlist appearing on the screen now for alternative places to stay.